Wow! See, tawag eh. It looks like real snow. See, tanawa sa kam. Daddy! Yay! Dada! What's that? Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel, guys. And for today's video, we are at Queen Victoria Market, guys, because they're doing that Wednesday night market. Yeah, so we're here now. We're going to meet Daddy here because it's not far from this from where he's working, guys. Actually, I can show you where he works. Give me a second. I can see the building, guys. I don't know if it's focusing, but you can see that one, guys. The one that's got like that bright light on top. That's where Dada works. So yeah, guys, I think he just left work and we're here now, so we just parked. We're gonna go out and see some foods, guys, because they're gonna have a lot different kinds of food, guys, and I'm very excited because I'm so hungry. Are you hungry, Mac? Always, yes. Yeah, she looks very warm, guys.
Thank you.
Not focusing. Yeah, she actually got that top from Mike's nan, so Mike's grandma. Thanks, Nan.
Thank you.
Wait. Thank you. She's wearing it now. Wait. How about you? How about you? You okay? Yeah, it's a bit dark now, guys, because it's yeah, nearly 6 o'clock. Okay, see you guys there. Bye. So I'm out, guys. Oh, that big pimple there. Yes, come on. Come on. Mama. Come out. Hang on, because it's not focusing. It's better. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Come out, Matita.
Bye.
So guys, that's the city there. And as mentioned, that's where Dada works. Oh, you excited? Are you excited? Hey, wanna say hi to the camera? Okay.
Hold me.
So guys, we're not gonna take Paris's pram, guys. So we're just gonna carry her. Guys, have a look at my outfit. Got my Ugg boots on because it's too cold, guys. Gotta make sure that I'm warm. Not sure. You don't need to be like it's in Australia. That way. Welcome. Yeah, sure, Paris is very happy. Honey, sure, honey. Honey, you happy? Are you happy? Wow. 50. Guys, it's $15. I'm not sure. Come on, go ahead. Hello. 1 for 2 years. Dako naman ka na. 2 for 10. Look you? We photograph your eye. Yeah. So I look pretty warm, guys. I've got this what do you call this? Scarf, and I've got Dada's jacket because you know I can. And so yeah, guys, apparently they've got a lot of food here now, guys, like from different countries. So you have options of what you want to eat. So actually, guys, I've been in Australia for what now? 2000. So I've been in Australia for nearly 10 years, guys, and believe it or not, this is my first time to come here. Like Queen Victoria, you know, night market. So it's interesting. Oh, donuts! Woo! Oh, they've got like, oh god, they're singing Christmas already. Fake snows. Fake snow. Oh, that's cool. Let's go. Let's take a picture. Woo! Guys, we got Brazilian barbecue. Oh, Mama! Mama! See what they've got here. They've got handmade Polish dumplings. Dumplings! Hey guys! Yeah. They're around the world. Char. So they sell, yeah, it's just like Sunday market that we go every Sunday, guys. This is just, you know, a night version. Have a look. Yeah, oh my god, $350. Wow. They're born for strawberries. Scary. Oh, we've got spaghetti gelato. Oh my god, they've got so many options here, guys. We're looking at this scarf. Have a look. It looks like a Burberry. Come on.
There's like a Burberry.
Yeah, they're claiming that it's 100% silk. So yeah, I might get that one. It's only $20.
Which color? I like that one. I like that one.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, yeah. This color, ma'am?
Yeah. Can I use it now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Goblok si Paris ditubo na. Hi guys, I got you. Got a new.
This is a quick instruction on how to put your scarf on.
Guys, try lang gud siya nga Burberry guys.
Di mo takawal dog original.
Yeah, I get the for the original, so I'll just go for this. Well, it looks real. Have a look at the design. It's so Burberry. So I get the Burberry feeling. Come on, let's keep going.
Oh God, I'm afraid kuha niya ang music. Picture ko, te. What are they doing?
Anything else?
See you later, Daddy. We're gonna go find some.
The view, guys. It's the city. And we're gonna get some hot donuts. Can you see? Come on. Ala, ang linya. It's like $5 for $8 bit. Okay, this is ang matulog.
No, it's hot chocolate.
Oh, you're scared. Are you scared? So here it is, guys. It's winter night market. Oh my god, so many people. I can't believe. Guys, seriously, I can't believe how many people in here. Like, it's packed. Like, it's seriously, literally packed, guys. As you can hear in the background, they're singing jingle bells. It's Christmas in July, guys, so it's, yeah, it makes my heart very happy when I hear Christmas songs. No, it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. There you I don't know where Dada Paris is. We just went for a quick walk. But yeah, guys,
We've got a little girl here called Murmur. Murmur, who has lost her
so
mum and dad.
if
Anyone who's lost a little girl,
lost your mom and dad,
right here, say with us. A little girl here called Murmur. She's beautiful.
as a Paris. Let me show him to you. Ah, it's okay. So yeah, guys, if you are down in Melbourne, from I think they're open until I don't know, end of August maybe. Yeah, you gotta check this out, guys. You gotta check this night market here at Queen Victoria because it's, yeah, I think it's amazing. Variety of food, guys, like from different countries. It's unbelievable. It's unreal. Yeah, enjoyed it a lot, guys. But here. I thought it was you, honey. So guys, it's time to go home. It's getting late and we still have to go to work tomorrow. And yeah, so as mentioned, guys, definitely check this place out. This is unreal. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Please like this video and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, don't forget to be good. And if you can